Take the knob, turn it to off, make sure there's no gas smell, turn it to pilot, push it in, fire it up a couple of times, you're good to go. So if your pilot light goes off, you're not getting a hot water heater, try those steps first before you do anything else. All right, just to be nice, that's the quick and easy way how to fix it. But if you need to troubleshoot or you need to find other issues, please continue to watch the video. If this fixed your problem already, please hit a like button, maybe subscribe. Thanks so much. Okay, we're not getting hot water. So here's how to ignite the pilot light. First thing you want to do is you want to turn counterclockwise your dial all the way to off. Make sure it's on the off. And then you want to wait and make sure there's no gas smell. I cannot stress that enough. No gas smell. So the next thing we're going to do, once we're sure there's no gas, we take the front door off. You do this just by lifting up and then it pulls out. See the little catch hitches? Now, here's the spark button. It has a little lightning, maybe zoom in on that. Yeah. See the little lightning bolt? That's the spark button, okay? You're gonna need to use the spark button. So we're gonna rotate the gas control thermostat knob clockwise to the pilot position. You know, it's funny, it says clockwise, it doesn't go any more clockwise, you have to go counterclockwise, okay? So now it's in the pilot position, right? You're gonna depress and hold the combination gas control thermostat knob all the way in while immediately pressing the piezoelectric spark generator button several times until the indicator light starts to blink. Now, once the status light begins to blink, you verify the pilot light is on by viewing the flame. There's a little glass thing down here. I'll show you. So we'll have to get the camera up in there. There's a little glass thing down there. So we're gonna press, gonna hit it. Oh, we got a blink. Give it a second.
Yep. What do we do with the blink?
Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna check the window. I do not see the pilot light on. Get down there. See the little pilot light window?
Down here. Down here? This thing? Oh,
Yeah.
And what are we supposed to see there?
The pilot light lit.
Oh. See it either.
Now some of these say you have to depress the button.
Wait, no, I can't. No.
So I don't see the pilot light down here. So just to be safe, what we're gonna do, I'll give it a few more seconds, that's it. And if we don't see the flame come on, it says, this particular model says give it up to 90 seconds, which seems like a long time if you think, oh my God, we're leaking gas. So the thing I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna check the gas. For whatever reason, I don't know if we're getting any gas in the gas line. The gas line is on, it's in line. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. I don't see anything, I don't hear anything. You can generally hear it kick on. I'm gonna turn that back to the off position.
No, the red light is on. Kind of steady. Is that what it normally is?
No, normally
it's
if it's zero flashes, it's solid. If it flashes once, it means the operation's normal. And if there's no flashing, it means control is off or the pilot is out. Now, here's the interesting thing about this though. When I came out, the light was not working at all. So with the light not working, it's kind of best guess. Every one of these little control panels is going to tell you the different types of machines. This is pretty standard, but sometimes the different blinks mean different things. So right now it says it's off. Let's just try it. Try it again. That was the washing. Me hitting the dryer. So going back to the pilot, I'm going to hold it down and try to spark this bad boy. Ooh, I did hear something. No, it's blinking once, which means normal operation. I don't see the pilot on though. I'll give it a few more seconds. Normally, every time I've done this before, the light lights up immediately. I do not see anything at all. So
weird. Could it be with the weather that has something to do with our...
I have no idea why it would do anything with the gas, but to be honest, I don't know. In this house, this is a newer rental. I'll give it a few more seconds, and then if not, we'll turn it off. Yep. I don't hear. That's crazy. I don't know how we had a heavy rain with a lot of flooding conditions. Don't know how that would have shut off the gas, but since it's a new rental, who knows? Okay. And look, always just as a safe warning, if there is gas leaking by chance and you do hit it, you're supposed to let it all clear out, but always have a fire extinguisher close, okay? I hate to have to say that, but there's going to be some person on YouTube
that looks like that.
Is going to be... All right. So it's not working, so I'm going to turn it off. And, you know, it's interesting. When they install these, they're not supposed to install the safety bands where you can't read all of the instructions. So, kind of interesting, huh? So that says it's off, control is off, pilot light is out. Okay, so we'll try to figure out what's happening with all of the beautiful gas. Okay, so I'm just gonna make the video shorter because it's just about showing you what to do when there's issues with things. The guy from the heater, from the SoCal Gas showed up. He did the exact same thing I just showed you. It worked perfect. No explanation. He doesn't know why. There was a little bit of puddle on the floor. We had a bad rainstorm. He said maybe the stuff dried out. It was one of the first things that we thought. There was a lot of wind coming through the garage. Maybe the wind, maybe the rain, who knows what. We couldn't figure it out. He did the exact same things I just showed you. Here's but just for the record, see how this this thing right here, make sure it's in alignment. That means the gas is on. Okay, and just for, because we couldn't get the shot last time, I'm gonna take the camera. Thank you, wife. And see this little window right here? You see that little flame? I'm getting a reflection on my side, but that flame up there, sorry, it looks like it's out of focus, but that flame shows you the pilot light is on. So in the last video, we told you to, we'll show you up under there, but I'm gonna save you a couple of minutes of watching. So that quick and easy. Take the knob, turn it to off, make sure there's no gas smell, turn it to pilot, push it in, fire it up a couple of times, you're good to go. So if your pilot light goes off, you're not getting a hot water heater, try those steps first before you do anything else. Thanks, bye.